In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with Likert questions in Microsoft Forms. Whether you're conducting surveys, gathering feedback, or simply exploring Microsoft Forms, understanding how to effectively create and use Likert scales can greatly enhance the quality and precision of your data collection efforts. Let's walk through the process step by step. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Microsoft Forms. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface that makes survey creation a breeze. On the upper left corner, you'll see the option to create a new form. Clicking this button will open up a fresh canvas where you can begin designing your survey. Now, from the available question types, choose the Likert option. The Likert scale is an invaluable tool for measuring attitudes and opinions with subtlety and nuance. It allows respondents to provide feedback across a range of agreement or disagreement, giving you richer, more informative data. Next, in the new question field that's just opened, you'll enter your main question. This part is critical as it sets the context for your respondents. Ensure your question is clear and direct, setting up your statements effectively. For instance, if you're interested in understanding customer satisfaction, your main question might ask how strongly participants agree or disagree with various service-related statements. Once you've entered your main question, it's time to add specific statements. These are essentially the sub-questions that respondents will react to using the Likert scale. In the statement fields, write out the propositions you want to test. For example, if your main topic is about customer service, individual statements could include the service was prompt or the staff was knowledgeable. Including a variety of well thought out statements will ensure you capture a comprehensive picture of your audience's sentiments. As you enter your statements, think about the range of responses you want to include. Microsoft Forms typically provides a default set of options, like from strongly agree to strongly disagree, but you have the flexibility to customize these to better suit your needs. In case you require more statements than initially planned, Microsoft Forms makes it simple to adapt on the fly. Just click on Add Statement to expand your list of statements. This feature is incredibly useful if, upon reflection, you realize that additional queries could provide deeper insights into your participants' opinions. And there you have it. With these steps, you've created a Likert scale question in Microsoft Forms tailored to gather nuanced feedback that's easy to analyze. By following this approach, you're well on your way to crafting surveys that are both effective and insightful. Thank you for watching, and happy surveying.